Hello there mga ka-sneaks, and nandito na naman tayo for another sneaker sale talk. Today we are going to talk about the Anta Shockwave 5. So this is the Anta Shockwave 5 standard or non-pro version. So despite na meron ng dalawang versions na lumabas, which is the Anta Shockwave 5, 6, and 7, these things are still on sale, and for a very good reason. So sobrang solid ng performance niya sa price point na mabibili mo siya ngayon. So yeah, let's start. So first off, we're going to start with the not so good aspect ng sapatos, which is yung actual material niya sa upper na ginamit. So, if you check it here, yung ginamit niya ng material dito is some mesh na merong fuse overlay. So, ito sobrang nipis na mesh ang gamit niya dito makikita niyo sa may toe box, tsaka dito sa may lateral and medial side. Tapos meron lang siyang mga fuse overlay over here. Siguro ito yung pinaka nagse-serve as to make the shoe more supportive, going all the way to the lace line. Tapos meron siya dito na parang fly wire sa last 3 bago yung huling eyelid sa tawag dito sa lace line. I think this is for more added support. So as far as like the upper is concerned, yun yung tingin ko nag-cut sila ng actual cost when it comes to the manufacturing side. Pero yung tang niya, you can see these are very well padded sa loob. Pati dito sa kanyang heel, very well padded yung heel counter niya. Sobrang comfy, sobrang lambot niya sa paa. So, ayun, aside from the upper, yung overall build ng sapatos is pretty good, which is pag-uusapan natin yung sunod is yung cushion niya. Ang cushion nito, it's using a full length nitro edge foam. So, yung feeling ng cushion niya, if isa kang guard or you prefer na merong court feel without sacrificing the actual cushion. So, hindi siya sobrang tigas, pero hindi rin siya sobrang mushy. Yung tamang firmness lang na may magandang court feel. Etong sapatos na to, sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang very well balanced siya when it comes to impact protection, court feel, tsaka yung support, sobrang solid. Tapos yung I forgot about one thing about the material. Dito sa lateral side, we do have a TPU plate going in dito hanggang sa likod. So, ito yung nagbibigay ng extra support. So, medyo cage yung cushioning niya pagdating dito sa lateral side. Pero makita mo dito sa medial side na naka-expose siya. So, which is good. For torsional support naman, napaka-solid din itong sapatos na to kasi hindi nila tinipid. Meron ka ditong TPU plate. Ewan ko kung kita sa camera. Ito, TPU plate yan. Going all the way here in the forefoot. Tapos hanggang dito sa heel yung yari niyan. So, torsional support, sobrang covered mo. Tapos bukod doon, meron pa siyang carbon fiber plate dito sa gitna ng sapatos. So, sobrang solid nung support niya na meron siyang shank plate na carbon fiber. Tapos yung pinaka highlight ng sapatos na to is yung kanyang outsole, which what they call a cement killer. So it definitely lives up to the name kasi matagal ko na pinalalaro to outdoors, and yet sobrang solid niya. If you take a look, itsura pa lang ng outsole, mukha na talagang maraming pinagdaanan. Pero tingnan mo naman, buong buo pa rin hanggang ngayon. And it's mainly being played on outdoor ports, which is really a really nice option. So tapos kung isa ka ring player na gumagawa ng maraming toe drag, if you take a look yung outsole itself, it goes all the way here. So kung ikaw nagto-toe drag ka dito, sobrang covered mo. Wala kang aalalahanin kasi hanggang dito meron kang traction, which is a really nice thing. When it comes to lateral stability naman, wala ka ring problema. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, meron kang TPU plate, TPU support dito, may TPU plastic dito sa lateral side. Tapos yun naman yung base niya, oh. Sobrang lapad ng outrigger. So talagang sobrang stable ng sapatos na to. So for the on foot naman na na itsura niya, kung interested kayo guys, papakita ko ito. Ito ang on view ng Anta Shockwave 5. Medyo may pagka-squeaky siya. Solid na solid. So, ayun na nga. As far as the fit is concerned for these shoes, mga sapatos na to, they fit true to size. So, wide foot friendly din siya. So, kung ano yung size mo, normally in US, that's what I'll go. Kung gusto mo naman ng medyo snug fit, I'd say you can go down half a size. But it would be better kung may chance kayo na isukat nyo muna sa mga store to. As far as like kung saan nyo siya mabibili, nakikita ko pa to sa mga SM department store, naka-sale. Mostly, if not 40-50% off, pati sa Tobies. Actually, pinakamura nyo itong makukuha sa Shopee. If not sa Anta official store, makukuha nito sa Anta Philippines na name page nila. Kung matatimingan nyo ng tama, as of this video, from what I can see on their page, kaka-restock lang nila ng mga to. So, most of the sizes are still on original price, but yung mga medyo malalaking price, malalaking sizes nito, nasa actually I think 60 or 55% off. But yeah, it goes as low as like 2,300 for a solid performer kind of shoe. So ayun, hopefully guys matimingin nyo siya tulad nung nagawa ko. And then kung nakascore kayo nito on sale, I would like to hear your thoughts. Or kung skip nyo to, kung gusto nyo skip to, then kung na-try nyo yung Shockwave 6 or right now yung pinaka-latest nila Shockwave 7, then let me know in the comment section. Pag-usapan natin kung anong pakiramdam, kung mas maganda ba to or mas maganda yung mga sumunod. So again, thank you for watching my video. Kung nagustuhan niyo to, please like and subscribe, and then don't hesitate to press the bell button, and then it doesn't hurt. And yeah, I do appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and let's keep this channel growing. Again, thank you again from Sneaks Drop and mga ka-sneaks. Until next time, bye-bye!